Let's go to the third important advantage DAVI MAV can grant, that is a superior re-rolling performance thanks to a sturdy and compact frame. So the frame is effectively the backbone of the machine. All the stresses during plate rolling are withstood by this very critical component, and finally they are transmitted to the foundations. DAVI machines feature the largest and most compact frame on the market, and this allows to improve the rigidity of connection to the ground, but also the machine stability, and increase the available side roll stroke and the maximum inter-axis distance. This frame granted by DAVI also allows the customer to build a much shallower pit, because the reinforcement beams are installed between the frames. We call it an intra-frame design, and so you don't need any base platform. The reinforcement beams are between the frames. Then a larger inter-axis distance allows for a higher leverage arm while pressing down with the top roll, and this maximizes the rolling, but more significantly maximizes the re-rolling performance of the machine.